Hello, welcome to another video from Random Sheshi. In this video I am going to show you how to turn your Android phone into an iPhone-like look and feel. First open Play Store and search for iPhone X Launcher. And install it. The link to the app is given in the description. Now open the iPhone X Launcher. Select your favorite Apple wallpaper and click Get Started. Click and allow notification access for the iPhone X Launcher. Now click and allow usage access. Now allow draw over permission. Also give permission to modify system settings. Now the launcher is ready for use. Set the iPhone X Launcher as your default launcher. It also has the iPhone X notch to it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.